Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, shut down and unplug the power supply, then wait 30 seconds so residual power bleeds off. Once done, remove the case side panel, ground yourself by touching the metal frame or using a wrist strap so you don't fry components. You need to find the Zotac card and inspect the area near the fan shroud. Look for a small LED header or factory ribbon cable that connects the lighting to the PCB. This is the physical control point for the light. You'll now remove the LED supply. Gently unplug the tiny 2 to 4-pin LED connector from the board. Use a spudger if it's tight. If the LED is soldered, make sure you understand pad orientation and mark the positive and negative traces before you cut or desolder. This prevents accidental damage. Once disconnected, tuck the cable away so it won't touch fans. Make sure to avoid fan, power, or PCIe connectors. Double-check what you're unplugging so the card still functions. After disconnecting, reassemble the case and reconnect power. Then boot the system and verify the Zotac LEDs remain off. If the light is still on, make sure you didn't miss an alternate RGB header or a software override. Check Zotac Firestorm or BIOS lighting settings next. If nothing changes, power down and reseat the connector or reverse the cut. You can always desolder and restore the trace if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if unsure, stop and consult a local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.